Welcome to PSLE Maths, where you find solutions to PSLE math problems. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.
Hello kids, let's look at a 4-mark question from River Valley Primary School 2019 Prelims paper. This is question number 12. Mrs. Chandra bought 4/5 as many pears as apples and 2/5 as many mangoes as apples. She paid a total of $150 for all the fruits. The ratio of the amount of money she spent on the apples to the amount she spent on the pears was 3:2. The ratio of the amount of money she spent on the pears to the amount of money she spent on the mangoes was 1:5. The cost of each apple is 60 cents. Find the total number of fruits Mrs. Chandra bought. So let's first chart down apple to pear to mangoes. The number of fruits she bought 4/5 as many pears as apples, which means for every 4 units of pears, she bought 5 units of apples. So let's mark the apple to pear ratio as 5:4. Then she bought 2/5 as many mangoes as apples, which means for every 2 units of mangoes, she bought 5 units of apples. So the apple to mango ratio is 5:2. So the overall ratio between apple to pear to mangoes is 5:4:2. This is the number of fruits. Then the money she spent on these fruits. The amount of money she spent on the apples to the amount of money she spent on the pears was 3:2. Then the ratio of amount of money she spent on the pears to the amount of money she spent on the mangoes is 1:5, which means here the pear is the common one, and so we have to make that into the same number. Here the common multiple between 2 and 1 is 2. So the ratio of money spent on apple to pear to mangoes is 3:2:10, because the 1:5 becomes 2:10. So now let's write them in terms of units. So apples, money she spent is 3 units. Pears, the money she spent is 2 units. And mangoes, the money she spent is 10 units. So the total amount of money that she has spent is 15 units. But we know that the total money she spent is $150 on all the fruits. So 15 units is equal to $150. So 1 unit is equal to $10. We know she spent 3 units of money on apples, which is 3 times 10, $30. And cost of each apple is given as 60 cents. So the total number of apples that she bought is $30 divided by 60 cents, which is 50 apples. Now that we know the number of apples she has bought, we know the ratio of the number of fruits that she bought. Apples to pears to mango is 5:4:2, which means the pear is 40 and mangoes are 20. So the total number of fruits she bought is 50 plus 40 plus 20, which is 110 fruits. So that's the answer to this question.
Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.